Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application where we show you how to check if somebody is your follower or not. Unfortunately, we don't have this special option in the TikTok application to check this information, but we have a cool solution. So let's check it after going to the TikTok app. Right now we are on our profile page, and the best option to check this info, is to unfollow this person. So let's check it. I need to go to the following section here and find the needful person. Let's pick on the HardReset.Info, and it's our account. So if you want to check our cool TikToks, let's follow it. We are waiting for you. And right now, to check if this account is my follower, we need to unfollow it. So let's tap on this account icon and tap on the unfollow option. If we have the follow back inscription, it means that this person is my follower right now. But I will follow back if this is my HardReset.Info account, so I unfollow myself. So right now the HardReset.Info isn't my follower. Let's check the difference. I will refresh the list, the profile, and let's check the difference, how the bar will look like if this person isn't my follower. So I will unfollow from the HardReset.Info again, and right now I have only the follow inscription, which means that the HardReset.Info wasn't my follower before. So guys, it's the best way to check it. Unfortunately, we don't have any other option, just only by unfollowing. So guys, don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel HardReset.Info, not only on TikTok but also on YouTube. Good luck!